Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka District Election Officer ke East Khasi Hills, ka Kong RM Kurba menta kasngi ka santrik ukalalingkot arajar pusau, kalapan iya ka dur halor ka bayade ka jing penrung kerteng jo ki Nongthep vote ha ki district level. Ha kini kasngi lawan manya don mentalang do ba Ronnie Watlang EDC in charge Election East Khasi Hills, kinong mi command ki BLO bat ki we kinong kit kamseng. Kak santli ki constituency lawan man mi command ha ka te kasngi. Kakong kurba kalapan pawe ke jing sngok kemen namar ki bala penung kerteng kambun kide ki Kynthup na maulai bat melim constituency. Hakani kesni la samru ki dur ki badan ni ki dur ki dar halor ke jing penung kerteng ban tap vote shwaban penmi pat bat no. Ba Ronnie Watlang EDC in charge election lawan ra ye ki jing tap ki babnya. Bala sam kini ki dur shabaro ki sengsan Hima sima habaro khat santli ki constituency jang ke East Khasi Hills district. Ula kentui ki pat ba bakide banya shimban talang ha ka election ka ban salong shen. Ha ka juk kapor ki jing ken ki pen I ba sanlak saupo hajar nrius pa ngut ki Nongthep vote ki don hapo ka district ha ka ba arlak sanpu khandai hajar ar spa lai pu ar ki di ki shinrang arlak prapuwe hajar ar spa anriu punriu ngut ki di ki Kynthup bat ar ngut ki di ki Rangthei lani ki transgender.
We have a lot of floating population in other assembly constituency. You've heard Ronnie has given you an elaborate explanation of things. But in these two constituency, you will find that mostly they are our people over there. So we really need to find out what is the reason. I will not say really, I don't believe that there are that armies are reluctant or they don't want to participate. I don't think so. But I feel that it is a fact that there are more female in these two constituency. I just have a hint that it will be like that. It is nothing negative or positive. It's just that it has to be.
Nilai pelat lagi electoral roll kakung ke qualifying date kepada ke santering penai peningkong arcar arpusau hakaba nila sam ya ki electoral roll sha baro khat santli ki constituency macam baro ki nomi kman jong ki sengsan pathai per ki badon hapo ni ka jalla ka jungi te kat kum ka figures ka ba mangingi don ki Nongthep vote hapo ka East Khasi Hills district khat santli ki constituency like no sora ki shinrang ki long arla sanpu khandai hajar lai spa lai puar ki Kynthup ki long arla prapuwe hajar aspa ropon rio ar ki transgender but ka total ka long sanlak sampu hajar rospa ngot ki Nongthep vote te kani kamut ba nila khang ha ka jing pendung kerteng ki electoral roll mentang idon ka continuous updation but ni kerpat dengan office jong district election officer begitu ki balap yang ke kerta ki balap yang ki kot kisna ki bade ki nong shong jong ni ka jalla ba jong ni ka ri ka jungi bagin wan shakhman ha ka ba kin thap ka kerteng ka joki min ba online application ha ka ba ki la lech ka website jong ka ECI man thap ki kerteng joki ba ka form 6 form 7 jong ka form 8 aku aru man shim ni ka lat man pentip ba ha ka election MP ka badang shudem ka polling percentage jong ka East Khasi Hills district ka bakhlam Kynthup ya ka sora sa subdivision ka long hendro polai 0.3% ka mumut ka baduna bha ha ba jor ba ka election MLA ha ba UE ba ka jingwan jong ki Nongthep vote ka long palat ya ka 4% te ha ba di ba ka ni ka penta ni shim ya ka ni ka lat man kerpat ya ki nong shong shnong jong ni ka jalla ka juni but kham tam e ki ni ka khatsan li constituency ki baha po ka East Khasi Hills district bahaga ni ka election ka one ba ki mi shakman ha ga ban ndap ya ka hok ka joki ban je no mi kman sha ka yin dorbar po Delhi ka Lok Sabha te kumbang laong ba house na marjar ka khandai MP election ka long rupulai point 3% ni kerpan bahaga ni election ka ban one lumba ka jingiram joki sengsan ko thai ni her but kham tam e nong shok shnong ba ka ni ka percentage of election ban one kan kam kio ya ka ba ma julong house na marjar ka khandai